Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I jumped the gun. I was uh, rotating a rectangle, and she sent me a picture, and this is what they're doing, or she's doing it for a customer. And there's a couple ways you can look at it. It's hard to tell in this picture. It looks like a sharp edge there, like it's. And there's several ways to do it. I'm going to do it two ways real quick, and you're going to be upset it's so easy. But they're doing something like this, and they want to put that rectangle in there. Well, that's kind of the problem, is trying to put a rectangle in there. So depending on where you want it, let's Control D and make a duplicate, holding down the Shift key so it'll be the same size circle, and then you could move it to wherever you want the middle of that rectangle to be, because we're not going to make it a rectangle anymore. And then I'm going to bring in a 2-point line. I'm going to hit P. I don't know how long it's going to be, so let's rotate this 35 degrees. And then let's Control D and duplicate that, but mirror it. Now what we can do is just take this inside circle away, all this part. And then we can get rid of our X. And now we got a line. She said something about 1 centimeter. I changed mine to centimeter. I'm gonna make it 1 centimeter. I would round the corners. Well, that didn't work. Come on. No, she actually said 2 centimeters, I think. Let's go, well, I put 0.1. Let's go 2 centimeters. So depending on your thickness, this is going to be 2 centimeters. Then just take it and go to Object, Convert Outline to an Object. Left click, right click, change it to a hairline if you're cutting it out. And there you have whatever length you want. You do it by measurement. With your rotation, if you get your parallel dimension tool out, this thing is roughly 19.45 centimeters. So depending on how long you want it, and you could do that at the start. And I'm curious about the sharpness, so I'm going to do a second video on how to do it a little bit differently, so my videos aren't so long. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you.